Aye, are you ready to see hidden places in Bangkok you wouldn't think existed? Yeah, welcome to my channel, whether you're a returning watcher or you're here for the first time. And what I'm going to do is show you 5 places around Bangkok that I haven't visited, so it's going to be new for me, that I think you'll find interesting. Okay, time to head to attraction number 1, under the underpass, while catching some local life. And here we are. Right, the Bankokian Museum. Like each of the attractions on this video, in the description box you'll be guided to its location. It's free to enter, it has 2 houses and a garden, and it takes you back to how well-off people in Bangkok lived around World War II and its aftermath. It was handed to the Metropolitan Authority by a lady called Warapon Surawadi. Unfortunately, they don't allow filming inside, so in lieu of that I've put together a montage of images that I took on my visit. Bangkok Council's ice critters. Yeah, I'm glad I did the museum, learnt a little bit about former life in Bangkok, and it might be a good attraction for you if it's raining. Stay dry, have fun, free admission. Right, where's next? There's plenty of local natural life to be seen as we head towards attraction number 2, Talad Noi. If you love street art, you cannot go wrong with Talad Noi. This is proper. The area is legendary for its many repair shops. There is a huge Oriental influence in the area, with it being so close to the river and Chinatown. This is Horseshoe Shrine. It's where old meets new, right by the banks of the Chaophaya River. Which, unsurprisingly enough, offers some fantastic views. And you can capture boats along the river. This is San Chao Jiangong, a very old oriental home. There is an admission charge to enter. If you just want to capture proper local Bangkok, or stop and have a coffee and a drink, this is the place to come off the beaten track. I can't believe what I've just found. So, I'm going to have a sit down at Seoul's Cafe. And why not? It looks very welcoming. Watch out for the cycle tours. So that was Talad Noi, superb. Finished my drink. I'm walking back to where I can hail a taxi to my next place. Yet another new one for me. Who knows what we'll find. So to get to the next place, you saw the river earlier. We're going to go across it and into Thonburi. This looks interesting. I wonder what we'll find. Well, I've found a beautiful bowl of noodle soup. The mystery solved at the top of the steps. This is Khlong Ban Luan. Bangkok's sometimes known as the Venice of the East for very good reasons. There are hundreds of canals, but this is something special where I've arrived. There's lots going on. Let's have a look. There are lots of lovely little independent shops. There are also plenty of boat tours available. Now this is a must-see. Make the effort, folks, it's amazing. There is a few tourists about, but nothing like you see in the centre. It's just beautiful, lots of superb souvenir stalls, authentic stuff, you know. And I'm going to see if I can find one of the attractions along here that was my intended point. I've been distracted by so many beautiful things. And here we are. Artist House is a typical old home found along many of Bangkok's khlongs. This place is over 200 years old. It has a cafe, an art gallery, an area where people can produce their own art, and puppet shows. The shows take place at 2 o'clock every afternoon, apart from on a Wednesday. Artist House is generally open from 9 until 6 each day. It is an effort to get here, so please send them a message or give them a call before you depart. Rob's top tip: always agree your price before agreeing to a boat tour. Talad Noi or here, which do you prefer? It leads on to a floating market. Wow! It would be very easy to come down here and just sit and eat and drink and watch the world go by. Amazing. Hello, hello, hello. There's another surprise. Let's go and have a look. Look at this, the drums they're making and repairing. Fantastic. Now that was pretty special, wasn't it? And I think I've got something to round the day off for you. It's been a cracking day so far, but I think I've got a topper. Let's wait and see. It's about a 20-minute walk. But first, a quick glimpse of Wat Paknam Phasi Charoen. Right, thank goodness for that, a bit of shelter. It is hot again. And here I am at the entrance to a place called Wat Paknam Phasi Charoen. I'm going to show you something that will blow your mind. If it's as good as the pictures and description I've seen. Up, 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 up. Oh my lord, it is huge! And that's just the cheddy. There's more, there's more. Okay, I won't hold you in suspense any longer. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ta-da! What do you think to that? What do you think to that? Do you get it? Do you know I've been to hundreds of temples around Thailand now with my wife and travelling. I've never seen one like that, and I didn't know it existed until I researched this video. That is astonishing. I'll show you a picture from a wider angle on the video in a minute or two and have a quick delve round and see what else is here, but that has blown my mind. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that. It certainly opened my eyes and hopefully given you some inspiration. If you have enjoyed it, please leave a comment, ask questions, subscribe to my channel, tell your friends about it, help me get plenty of views. It'll make such a difference to me and I'd appreciate it. In the meantime, wherever you are in the world, take care, be kind to others and have fun.